Hey folks, Jimmy Schwinn here from mastermindwebinars.com. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to do this video real quick to let you know that within probably no later than Friday, I will be sending out an email giving you access to register for the back office members area of mastermindwebinars.com. And again, I'm going to be delivering the goods back here, not only myself with all my experience over the years, but also I'm bringing mastermind trainers to mastermindwebinars.com that specialize in specific training. Some might specialize in Facebook remarketing. Some might specialize in Instagram marketing. Some might specialize in Twitter marketing. So, Facebook has a lot of different things, right? It's got how to get likes, very economical, but then how to do pay-per-click there and how to do remarketing. So I'm going to be bringing in what I call mastermind trainers that are pros, that are masterminds in their specific niche. And there'll be free webinars back here for you to access. Now, there's certain ones that I'll be doing that I have mastered, like pay-per-click. I've been doing that for 20 years. SEO, I've been doing that for 20 years. And I love those two. And email marketing, I've been doing that forever too. So those three things most likely will have me training. Now, there might be cases where I bring somebody in and then, I'm going to bring in mastermind trainers in here to do a lot of great webinars. And then, of course, they'll have a program that they might offer that if you want to get involved in it, you'll be able to. But what I always recommend is that you get a couple different ways that you want to market, and you always need to have email marketing in there and autoresponders, no matter what. You have to do that. And then is it pay-per-click? And, SEO. I love pay-per-click because it's instant and people are putting in my key phrases of what I'm offering. Okay, so I love it. As long as you've got a good bait, or what I like to call also lead magnet or bait, bait for your target audience. Who's your dream customer avatar? The perfect avatar that you want to have. As long as you have the right bait, you're going to bring them in, right? So you're going to learn all about that. You're going to learn how to create the right bait. You're going to learn how to, identify your dream customer, the person that you want to work with. You got to work with somebody. You want to work with them, right? You don't want a bunch of people you don't want to work with. And you're going to have a lot of that training coming from me on email marketing, pay-per-click marketing, SEO marketing, and then again, a lot of mastermind trainers that I'm talking to are going to be putting webinars back here for you. And this is all going to be free. Okay. So you're going to be delivered the goods massively to help create a profitable business online for free. Now, also for additional support, you join the group, the Facebook group. This is where you can ask additional questions. Okay. Now, the first phase of Mastermind Webinars members area is the free. Okay. And then I am going to be creating within the next month a paid monthly membership, which is going to be called the Mastermind Group, which is going to be more about accountability and moving forward and getting things done and getting your presence online and getting it optimized and getting leads coming in and making sure your autoresponder sequences are working. I'm going to actually do live webinars where I go through and I tweak people's funnels. I tweak their copy. I tweak their ads. I tweak all of them. We'll, of course, keep their ad, and then I'll make a new one, and then I'll do my thing, and then we'll see which one converts the best, right, on the next webinar. But I'm going to bring in accountability. Again, I'm a project manager also, besides a business owner, and I project manage right now dozens of people, okay? And with my traditional businesses and online businesses with my partners. And again, I had a lot of clients last year. I'm going to be scaling that down and putting that time into building this back end and building the front end, which drives in the members and leads into the system. I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing it with mastermindwebinars.com. And I've got a couple other sites that I'm working, that I can continually work on that I'll be able to show you some of it. Not all of it, but I'll be able to get deep into mastermind webinars and what I'm doing to drive leads, to build my membership, to drive affiliate sales, to drive the mastermind group monthly membership. I'm going to show you my autoresponders. I'm going to talk to you about them. I'm going to explain why I'm doing things like I'm doing. You're going to get to see everything that I'm doing with Mastermind webinars. Okay. Again, one of the things that, I tell people is stop the tricks, stop the nonsense, tell people the truth. People ask me, Jimmy, why are you doing this? Well, the reason I'm doing it is because I want people to use my recommended tools, and I want people to use, my recommended marketing and things that I recommend that's going to help them drive targeted leads into their business and drive profits to their bottom line, and tools that are going to do the same. So the tools that I recommend, I use every day. And the marketing I recommend, I've used or am using. So I'm not going to recommend something that isn't top notch and isn't great for your business. Okay. And again, the training that you're going to see back here is just going to blow your mind that it's being given away for free. And again, if you want to call it, what is my motive is that you get involved in the tools with me and utilize marketing resources through my link, so I make some commission and I can continue to fund the growth of the training. Again, the mastermind group, which will be a monthly paid group, and I'm going to make it very reasonable, is going to be more of about accountability, because I see a lot of people that they start their dream and they never finish it. They never get it up. They never get it going. And a lot of people, they need that project management partnership with someone, and they need to have those steps to get something up. Again, what you're seeing back here in the Mastermind Webinars members area, or on the front ends, or on any of the book funnels that I build, or the affiliate bootcamp, affiliate marketer bootcamp, all of those funnels have been built by me. And all of the funnels that I'm going to be showing you, like if you go to the sales funnel training on how to hack your competitor sales funnels, that training is a funnel that I hacked for one of my partnership businesses. Okay. So again, I'm doing this stuff every single day, and I'm going to continue to bring in training and improve, update training back here for you, so that you literally can build the foundation of your business. First, of course, you got to, see if your business has actually got a market, right? Go to Google Trends. Is your business marketing? Go to Facebook. See what's going on for that type of business. Make sure you got a marketplace, and I actually show that in some training. And then, who's your dream customer? Who's your ideal avatar? An avatar is that personal, perfect customer, male and female, that you build out for your business. Okay, what do they do? And I have some training that I'm putting back in here that actually shows you how to build that avatar. Okay, once you've got that avatar, what is your value ladder? Okay, what is it you're going to give them to get their information? And I call that either bait or a lead magnet. You got to give them something of value, whether it's a webinar or it's a PDF or it's something of value that is going to help solve problems that the most of those people in that certain niche are having, right? You want to help solve problems. You want to start your relationship off by helping solve problems, okay? And then what is your value ladder, okay? What is it after you're free? Maybe you have a free plus shipping because you want to get the buying customers up front. Like me, I have a free membership, okay? I'm not asking for a credit card up front. I want people to come back and experience what we're bringing to the table, okay? And then if they're going to move forward with what I do to build profitable businesses online, they're going to need tools. So I want them to utilize the tools I recommend, okay? So I have a value ladder that I'm building out for Mastermind Webinars, which I'm going to show you and explain it to you. You've got to build your value ladder out, okay? What you're going to do, and there's going to be specific training on building out a value ladder. I'm going to be showing you again examples of everything that I'm doing with Mastermind Webinars and showing you step by step what I'm doing for each part, for the dream client, a customer, client, whatever you want to call them, to the value ladder, and then taking that value ladder and implementing it into a sales funnel, okay? And then making sure you have everything underneath it, what I call action funnels, and also in ClickFunnels, they call them action funnels, that's doing everything behind the scenes, from sending out the autoresponders, from moving them to email list, right? Taking them out from one, moving them into another, from building, adding them to custom audiences. When they visit your website, you're adding them to one. Then they move into as a prospect. Then you're adding them, moving them from that customer audience, and then you're moving them into another one. So all of that training, step by step, is going to be in the back end here for free. Okay? And then again, my monthly membership is going to be more about group coaching. And then I will have one-on-one coaching that will be available with myself or my mastermind trainers. Okay? So we got a lot of great things planned. Again, what you're going to get free back here is massively worth it. I guarantee you by the end of this year that nobody will have a free members area like we do on mastermindwebinars.com. I promise you that. And it will continue to improve also in the group. You just click on the group, join the group. I verify that you're in the list, so meaning you need to be in. Oh, sorry, that's the blog. 1 second here. You need to be in the list. So let me go here. So you got to add your email here. And then there's steps on the other side. I'm getting ready to update those steps. So you might want to wait until, I think it'll be Thursday. I just got to do a couple more videos. And again, it's not going to be finished, okay? But it's to a point now where I can let people start coming back in here and then making some, I've got some training that I'll be listing back here that I'm going to be working on. And then there's other training that you folks want. You'll be able to recommend it in the Mastermind Webinars group, okay? And also, all of my marketing recommendations from all the years. I mean, I've got tons of stuff. Cost per acquisition, cost per thousand, cost per click, backlinking, article marketing. I've got content marketing, online classifieds, pay-per-click, pay-per-view. Okay, so many different things, SEO, and all of that as I go through and pick out the top are going to be back here under recommended marketing. So you're going to have like a multi-million-dollar Rolodex back here that you're going to be able to access with your free membership. So again, we're going to make this very powerful. We've got a lot of great stuff that's coming in to the free members area this year. You'll be very excited, I'm sure. Make sure that you whitelist info@mastermindwebinars.com. Info@mastermindwebinars.com, so you get all our email addresses. I'm going to be sending out a few training tip videos per week also to all of the members. And I actually send it out to all my lists because I want them to become a free member. But again, a lot of great information is coming your way to help you get your foundation right and start driving traffic and optimizing lead generation, optimizing your sales, and everything that goes underneath that. It's kind of funny because I put up on my Facebook, let me go here real quick. Got a lot of people popping up here. Hold on. So I put this iceberg up, and I think I did this on Mastermind Webinars too, but I put it up here. And most people don't understand this, okay, about business. What you see up here is success, right? So people will look at businesses I'm involved in, they see success, but they don't see what's going on down here, okay? They don't see all of this, the persistency, the failure, the sacrifice, the disappointments, the discipline, the hard work, the dedication, right? They don't see that. They don't see the biggest part of the success. And again, you're going to have access to all of that back here. Everything that you need that's underneath what I just showed you with that iceberg, the things that actually make a business successful, you will have access back here for free, okay? And again, all of my paid memberships are going to be more about accountability and taking action and moving you forward, being a coach, and being a project manager to make sure that you're taking steps every single day to get the job done. So thank you for watching this video. Very excited. Watch out for the next email coming your way. Again, I might send out some more video training tips, but by Thursday, I should have an email out to you where you can start registering. and get access to the back end here, the free members area. So take care. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.